Today is 13th of April and we will be seeing how we can place an order in Angel Broking. So this is the GM $4 guys. You are simply supposed to click on buy, click on margin, click suppose 10 quantities here, okay, and confirm buy, okay. Okay, let's just modify it to 8. Okay, so the order has been done guys. So how you will be doing is click on exit, click on limit here. For example, I want to sell my stocks at say 4200. Once I do this, it will be guys in my pending orders, okay, like this, okay. And similarly, if I want to put a stop loss here, for example, exit, oh sorry, if I want to put a stop loss, click on stop loss. Here the stop loss is going to be 4000. Here the stop loss is going to be 4000, for example. Trade in margin product type is not allowed, okay. So you will be seeing that stop loss is not getting executed, but yeah, I can put on the target, right? So guys, there is one simple reason to this, and that is you can either put a target or you can put a stop loss, okay. So you see that I have already put the target here, right? So I have to cancel this one, okay. And once I cancel this, I just go back to my positions here. If I will be clicking here, if I will be clicking here stop loss, and once I put here 4000, ओके, तो यहाँ पे मेरा ऑर्डर लग जाएगा, ठीक है. बाय दिस यू कैन सी दिस थिंग कि यहाँ पे मेरा ऑर्डर लग गया है स्टॉप लॉस का. बट इफ़ आई वांट टू पुट अ टारगेट हियर राइट नाउ, फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट टू एग्जिट विद अ लिमिट ऑफ से 4200, अब ये नहीं लगेगा, ठीक है. तो जो मार्जिन का ट्रेड है गाइज, इसमें बस एक ही ड्रॉबैक है, दैट इज़ यू कैन नॉट पुट बोथ द टारगेट एंड द स्टॉप लॉसेज हियर, ठीक है. तो the point is simple. If you want to buy a margin trade, you can buy the trade at a very critical point of zone, but keep the stop loss there and trail it out to the maximum guys, okay. That is the thing that I just want to teach you in this video. I hope you got to understand how you can actually put up the positions, तो यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ जैसे मेरे को लॉस हो रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट आई विल बी होल्डिंग द स्टॉक, ओके. तो यहाँ पे बस यही है, ठीक है. तो चल रहा है स्टॉक अपना, ठीक है. हैव अ गुड डे, बाय बाय गाइस.